So if you're looking for a way to get rid of dust, pet dander, pollen, and allergens in the air, this is a great way to do this. What it is, it's an air ionizer. And what it does is it creates negative ions and actually releases it through this port. So what happens is those negative ions attach to all those things, those dust and pet dander. It makes it heavier than the air so it can't float, and then it's going to go ahead and drop down. So you could see an increase in dust, and that way I know that it's actually working. It's getting rid of those things in the air, and that way I can go ahead and have just cleaner air in my house. Now when you do plug this in, of course it does plug into a standard outlet. We do have a light that lights up right around the edges, so that way I know that it's on, and it also functions as a night light. So it's so easy to use. The size of this is meant for just one room, so I'd have one for each room to go ahead and have it release all those negative ions, pull those things out of the air, all that pet dander and pollen and allergens, take it out of the air, and that way it's going to make it much cleaner in my house for my family. Hope you found this review helpful.